Yes, students, today we studied about the quality of service in MANETs, mobile ad hoc networks or ad hoc networks. So, first of all, we study about the QoS. What is quality of service? So, QoS stands for quality of service. So, in ad hoc networks, QoS is the network's ability to provide the levels of service promised to the users and or application. So we say it's the quality of the network, quality of the network whenever the provider provides some network applications, some applications on the network. So these applications provide efficiently to the user. That is called the quality of service. So this is the existing QoS models and the mechanism. So beyond B QoS mechanism, which are two basic types, resource reservation and the second one is traffic prioritization. So in QoS, to provide the quality of service, we have two basic types. In resource reservation, network resources allocated according to an application's QoS request. What it means? If a particular application provider provides some application and it requests the particular quality of service for that application, then according to that quality of service request, the resource reservation is done for that application. The another QoS mechanism is traffic prioritization. In this method, the network traffic is classified and preferential treatment given to class identified as having more demanding requirements. So in this way, whenever the traffic comes to the network, according to the traffic is prioritized according to their demanding requirements. So this is called the traffic prioritization. Another one is the QoS matrix. So whenever we calculate the quality of service for a network, then what does it mean? What we have to calculate for that network? That is, we say how to measure quality of service of a network. At what points, at what characteristics we say that the quality of service for that network is good. That is, service attributes that can be used to quality end-to-end performance. So these are the delay. First one is the delay, then bandwidth, then probability of packet lost, or we say packet delivery ratio, and the jitter. So delay is end-to-end delay. If a packet transmits from sender to receiver, so what time the packet will take to transfer from sender to receiver, that is called delay. The bandwidth that is provided to transmit the packets. Then this is the very important thing that is the packet loss. So what is the probability of packet loss? If a network have more packet loss, then it means the quality of service for that network is not too much good. So packet loss is, we say, packet delivery ratio. Suppose a sender sends some number of packets, then what number of packets received at the receiver end. The another important aspect of quality of service matrices is jitter, that is delay variance. So this is called the quality of service. So existing quality of service models are, there are two internet quality of service models that are integrated services that we call INTSERV, and the another model is differentiated services that is called the DIFSERV. So in integrated services, the characteristics are per flow end-to-end guarantee. We take that packet is guaranteedly transferred from sender to the receiver. Again, the resource reservation done in the integrated services. So whenever the packet transferred from sender to receiver, the resource reservation are done into the integrated services. So in serve before transferring the packet, all of the resources are reserved for that particular transfer packets transferred. So another service QoS models is the differentiated services, that is called the diffserv. So what is diffserv provide? Diffserv is characterized as per class service differentiation. In differentiated services, all of the services are classified and according to that services the packets are transferred. So the traffic differentiation and prioritization done in differentiated services. So these two are existing quality of service models that provide in any network. So now what is the integrated services? Uses an explicit mechanism that is called RSVP to signal QoS requirement to network elements to reserve the resources. We studied that in integrated services the network resource reservation is done. So here it is defined that reserve the resources. So in this integrated services there are three classes of service, that is called guaranteed service. Guaranteed service means whenever if these type of service provided by the network, then it means bound, it provides bound on end to end delay.